Hello, Caroline over here at Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing a medicine ball core workout. I've done one of these in the past, but we have a few different exercises to do today. So this is something, abs you can do it before your workout, after your workout. I typically do it after I've already worked out, and then I go into my cool down stretching routine. So we're going to start by doing a standing oblique crunch. So we're going to put the ball above our head and kind of just bring it up to our knees. So we're going to do 8 per leg. Good. All right. Next, we're going to do pole extensions. So we're going to lay down, have our knees up and the ball above our head. And we're going to pull up. You're going to do 10. All right. Next we're going to do weighted crunches. So similar to what we were doing, we're going to leave the ball up above our head. We're going to crunch. We're not going to drop the ball back like we were doing for those pullovers. Again, 10 for these. Good. All right. Next, we're going to turn over on our stomach. These are ones we did before. They're called Supermans. We're going to take just a few more seconds. We're going to extend, have our feet out, the ball's out. We're going to pick up 10 of these. Good. All right. Last one here on the floor, then we'll have one more after this. We're going to do a sit-up with an oblique twist. So this is similar to a Russian twist, except we're crunching. So we'll crunch and twist to one side, crunch, twist to the other. So we'll do 6 to each side. Good. All right. I'm going to grab my water. All right. Last but not least, we're going to do wood chops. So we're going to do 6 per side. So I'll start with all 6 on one side at first. Good. Now 6 the other way. All right. So typically for my workouts and one similar to this, I'll take about a minute rest in between sets, and I'll do this 3 times total. So I did the first set with you. Go ahead and watch it again, and you can do it 2 to 3 more times. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a good one.